Hello, Matt Rivera Woodworking on the job site for my regular job inside of a Shop 24, playing some nice jazz, and I have a stripped Allen head bolt right here. And now I already started to solve my problem, but I thought I would show you guys what I was doing, because it's a 2.5 millimeter in there, and it's just completely stripped out. And this side, I have my vice grips on it on the bolt, so that I can spin it, but it won't go because it's stripped. So what I'm doing is, with my trusty metal cutting hacksaw blade, just by hand, I'm going to cut a slot in it and that way I can get at it with my flathead. Boom, right in it. And you know what? It's actually working already, and I've just barely started to cut the notch. So you're basically just cutting a flathead slot into the head of the bolt. You can do this with screws too, either way, so that you can use a flathead screwdriver if your Allen head is stripped. So I'm going to finish cutting the slot, and then we'll get it open. Alright, it's all lined up. Here. Keeping my fingers on it to keep it in line, because there's not a lot of space. I don't want it to slip off and scratch up the side panel. It has a little bit already. I don't want it to be any worse than it needs to be. Just cutting it, cutting the slot. See it right there. I think that's pretty good. Actually, I might go a little further. Now that I'm getting in, it's easier to keep it in place without having my finger in the slot, or to hold it in place. You can see right here, I now have flathead slot, and it's now letting me rotate It's hard to do in this position, but it is letting me get it out. Almost there. I didn't get it perfectly centered, so it's falling out weird. And there's my nut. There's my bolt with a flathead slot that I cut. So now I can finish my repair and put it back in. All the rest of these will be done with the Allen head. This one will be done with the flathead. Good to go. Thanks for watching.